Hi sweet, it's Sweetie Comes here from the land down under. Today sweet, I am going to clean our shower. So I just want to share it with you. How do I clean it easier and quicker? So I have this cleaning tool that I've been using for I believe about a year now that I have been using this product that really works good for me in making the job, the cleaning job in doing your shower. So I believe for me it really works for me, and it's just a big help for me when I'm cleaning the shower. So I'm going to show you now a product that I'm talking about. So we have this. This is the product. Okay, so it's called Tornado Cleaning Brush. Because I know I'm gonna need it one day. So yes, that's how it looks like there. So it's really good for your shower, and it has 3 brushes included. So this one, that one there, that you can connect to the handle. This one is really good for the corners. So I haven't used these 2 brushes yet because I'm using the other one. So what's in the box? I still have a certificate warranty from ALDI, and of course the manual. The main part. Okay, so you have the on and off button in there. Okay, so this part here is detachable, so you can undo this. See, and you can have this plug in when you are doing when you need to do charging. Electric, so it's chargeable. And this is the other part. So that's the other brush that I'm talking about, and then I've been using this brush ever since I have bought this one. So you have to plug this in if you want to use it electric. So you just have to lock this button. On and switch it on. That's that one there. Okay, and to charge, so there's you just have to plug this in. So this is the charger. I'm connected. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So this is the charger. So I'm going to plug it in. Actually, this is fully charged already because I charged this last night, but I'm just gonna show you. See, that's red because it's full already. But if it's not full or it's still charging, that's green. It's color green when it's still charging. So I'm just gonna undo the one that's done, and then I'm gonna show you how I'm going to use it. Okay. So of course the brush depends where you're gonna use it. Like if it's in a corner or wherever those brushes would suit. But as I said, I haven't used those 2 brushes yet because I love using this brush. I'm just gonna wet the books and the glass. I am going to spray it now. Just use it the same with the glass. I do have other products as well for the glass itself, but this time I'm just gonna use the same thing. So now we are going to scrub the wall. Although the top part of the shower doesn't really need to. I'm supposed to wear gloves, but I forgot. See how easy it is using this electric brush compared to doing it manually. show you